Hello, what's up, and welcome to Gift Nogumbe BA channel. Today we're going to talk about make $1,600 fast, free, searching Google, how to make money online. 3 ways to get paid for searching the web. If you're already doing it anyway, why not get rewarded for it? Here are 3 opportunities. My favorite example is getting paid to go shopping. By searching, the web is another activity that can put profits into your pocket. Here are a few examples of websites and programs that reward you simply for using a search engine. Number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks' mission is to get you free gift cards by rewarding you points called SB for things you do online. Those things include searching the web. Swagbucks offers two ways to search, both of which are powered by Yahoo. Visit Swagbucks search page. Also note that you can find the Swagbucks search bar at the top of the most other page of the website. Make Swagbucks the default search engine for your browser. Swagbucks offers directions on how to do this for Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. To learn about other ways you can make money with Swagbucks, check out earn to $2,700 a year watching videos, answering surveys. Number 2, Bing Rewards. Binge Rewards. Binge is Microsoft's search engine, a Google competitor. Binge Rewards is a program Microsoft describes as enabling you to earn credits for searching on Binge or trying new features for Binge or other Microsoft products and services. Those credits can be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards. For directions on how to join Binge Rewards, visit the help page. To start earning credits, just sign in and use Binge to search the web. Microsoft also offers a Chrome browser extension. Number 3, QMe. QMe describes itself as an online shopping companion that helps shoppers search for what they want, compare prices, secure discounts, and offer their opinions while earning cash. When it comes to searching the web, the website explains QMe works in the background to show you relevant results on the left hand side of your screen. Simply click on the results that interest you and you'll earn cash or save money by just doing what you usually do online. QMe also lets you search and shop online as you usually do, as it does not limit you to a single search engine. It is compatible with Binge, Google, and Yahoo. It also works when you search a retailer website such as Amazon. Have you ever used a website or program that compensated you for searching the web? Let us know which one and whether you'd recommend it. Comment below or even on our Facebook page. How to earn $40 in less than 30 seconds. For a limited time, our friends over at Rakuten, formerly known as eBits, will give you a free $40 cash sign up button bonus, up from $10 if you join Rakuten using the link before the promotion ends on Dec 31st, 2020. It literally takes less than 30 seconds. That's also when you can see which retailers Rakuten works with and get up to 40% cashback every time you shop at your favorite stores like Target, eBay, Kohl's, and Macy's. Just make sure to sign up before December 31st, 2020 and spend at least $40 shopping online through Rakuten within the first 90 days to receive your free $40 bonus. Welcome. Connect your Google search engine to AdSense. You can connect a Google AdSense account to your custom search engine to make money on contextually relevant ads placed into the search results. Advertisers compete for placement in the search results, and when someone clicks on one of the ads, you can make money, a portion of the revenue. If you don't already have an AdSense account, get one here. Once you've joined AdSense, you can make money off of your search engines by associating them with your AdSense account. Before you begin, make sure that you are logged in with the same account you used to sign up for AdSense, and that you are the owner of the search engine you want to link your AdSense account. Associate your custom search engine with Google AdSense. From the control panel, select the search engine you want to edit. Click the setup from the menu on the left and then click on the Ads tab. Only owners, not administrators, can access this tab. Click on the search engine monetization button to turn it on. Your AdSense publisher ID associated with your Google account will appear on the page in a moment. Now, your search engine is associated with the AdSense account. Note, if you do not see the search engine monetization tab, then it means that either you do not have an AdSense account or your AdSense account is pending approval. Please visit Google Help Center for more details. Note that if you create a new AdSense account, you will receive a confirmation email that you can see that you used to activate your account. You won't start making money until you have completed this activation process. Note that revenue is only shared for the ads that appear on custom search engine on your site. No revenue is shared if the user leaves your site, for example, by clicking on the Find on Google links. Making money on the web has been so easy. There are 3 ways to get paid searching the web. If you're already doing it anyway, why not get rewarded for it? Here are 3 great opportunities. My favorite example is getting paid to go to shopping. But searching the web is another activity that you can put profits in your pockets. Here are a few examples of websites and programs that reward you simply for using a search engine. Number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks' mission is to get you free gift cards by rewarding you points called SB. For each thing you do online, those things include searching the web. Swagbucks offers 2 ways to search, both of which are powered by Yahoo. Visit Swagbucks search page. Also note that you can find the Swagbucks search bar at the top of other pages of the website. Make Swagbucks the default search engine for your browser. Swagbucks offers directions on how to do this for Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. To learn about other ways you can make money with Swagbucks, check out Earn Up to 2,700 a year watching video and answering surveys. Number 2, Binge Rewards. Binge is a Microsoft search engine, a Google competitor. Binge Rewards is a program Microsoft describes as enabling you to earn credits for searching on Binge or trying new features from Binge or other Microsoft products and services. Those credits can be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards. For direction on how to join Binge Rewards, visit Help page. To start earning credits, just sign in and binge to search the web. Microsoft also offers a Chrome browser extension, QMe. Number 3, QMe describes itself as an online shopping companion that helps shoppers search for what they want, compare prices, secure discounts, and offer their opinions while earning cash. When it comes to searching the web, the website explains QMe is in the background to show you relevant results on the left-hand side of your screen. Simply click on the results that interest you, and you'll earn cash or save money by just doing it what you usually do. QMe also lets you search and shop online as you usually do, as it does not limit you to a search engine. It's compatible to the Bing, Google, and Yahoo. It also works when you search retailer websites such as Amazon. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. That's how you can make $1,600 fast, free by searching Google. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.